Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with two essentials: admin rights and an external USB keyboard connected. Once done, create a restore point so you can revert system changes. Open Device Manager and expand keyboards. Note the internal device name exactly. Right-click the internal keyboard entry to see options. Make sure you're not logged into any accounts that require immediate typing. This process will remove input until an external keyboard is active. Proceed only when backup and hardware are confirmed ready. Next, right-click the internal keyboard and choose Disable Device if available. That immediately stops input without removing drivers. If that option is missing, select Uninstall Device and check Delete the driver software when present. Then reboot into safe mode and confirm the driver does not reinstall. For persistent reinstalls, open Device Installation Settings and prevent Windows from automatically reinstalling drivers. These steps remove the system-level input path. They work because after making changes, reboot and test typing with the external keyboard you attached earlier. Make sure keys respond across apps. If you need the internal keyboard back, re-enable it in Device Manager or reinstall the driver from the manufacturer's site. If the system becomes unresponsive at login, use a recovery USB or boot to safe mode to revert. Troubleshooting tip: if things go wrong, run system restore to the point you created earlier. That reliably undoes driver and registry edits without deeper repairs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.